Welcome everybody. Today I will talk about the evolution of robots, how robots change from simple industrial machines into intelligent systems. Robots are now used in factories, they're used in hospitals, and they're likewise used in homes. And they're even used for human companionship. In this video, I would love to present to you in short term the history of robot evolution, major technological improvements, different types of robots today, facts about sex robots, as well as the future of robotics. As you may know, the idea of robots is very old. Back then, people created mechanical devices, which are called automata, and these machines could move by using water, gears, or steam. However, modern robots appeared during the 20th century. In 1954, George Devol invented the first programmable industrial robot called Unimite. Unimite was in first place created for factories, and it was created to perform dangerous tasks so people no longer had to worry about their safety. And later, companies started using robots for car manufacturing, heavy lifting, and so on. These robots improved speed, and factories were able to produce as much as possible in a short period of time. Robots became smarter because of AI, as an example. Sensors and cameras, people created learning systems for them, machine learning in general, better batteries, and the access to the internet. Today, robots are able to recognize faces, understand speeches, learn from data, and move more naturally. These improvements helped out people a lot. Delivery robots, military drones, household robots, such as the dishwasher, made life easier for people. This also encouraged the company Boston Dynamics to make their robots move more naturally. Their robots are able to run, jump, climb stairs, and maintain balance like a human or an animal. These so-called humanoid robots are becoming more advanced. An important and controversial part of robot evolution is the development of sex robots. Sex robots are humanoid robots designed for companionship. They usually include AI, voice interaction, facial expressions, and sensors that respond to touch. However, some companies are developing robots that can hold conversation and simulate emotions. One company is known for their sex robots. Robotics. Supporters of robotics believe sex robots could reduce loneliness, help people with social anxiety, provide companionship, especially for isolated people. However, critics raise ethical concerns. Is it okay to be emotionally dependent on a machine? Isn't all of this just objectification of humans? What about privacy and data security? And what are the effects on real human relationships? This topic shows that robot evolution is not only about technology, but that it is also social and ethical. Moving on to advantages and disadvantages of robots in general. For benefits, you could say that robots are able to work without rest. They're able to perform dangerous tasks safely, increase productivity, and help disabled people. Even though all of this sounds great, there are also downsides. They replace human jobs, they can be very expensive to develop, they create privacy problems, and increase dependence on technology. As robots become more intelligent, society must create rules for responsible use. Robots have a huge impact on our lives. In the future, robots may become even more integrated into our daily life. Possible future developments include driverless cars like we discussed it in class, AI caregivers for elderly people, human-like personal assistances, and advanced emotional AI systems. Scientists are also studying robots that can learn and adapt independently. To conclude, I'd say robot evolution has progressed from simple factory machines to intelligent systems that nowadays interact with human beings. Robots already influence us in medicine, transportation, and so on. The development of sex robots also raises important ethical and social questions. In the future, robots will probably become even more advanced, and humans must decide how to use this technology responsibly. Thank you for listening, everyone. Robots have a huge impact on our lives. In the future, robots may become even more integrated into our daily life. Possible future developments include driverless cars like we discussed it in class, AI caregivers for elderly people, human-like personal assistances, and advanced emotional AI systems. Scientists are also studying robots that can learn and adapt independently.